I'll show you a quick close-up and then we'll get right to it and compare this to the DeWalt. There's your horizontal with the DeWalt and your vertical. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to Tile Tool Tuesday. Now I'm very excited to share this tile installation related tool with you. This is a Huepar 3D green beam laser, 3 plane leveling and alignment line laser level. It's 2 360 verticals and 1 360 degree horizontal. And the big kicker is that it's less than half the cost of your DeWalt's or your Bosch 3x360 lasers. So this video is going to be very quick and straight to the point. We will quickly bring the camera up close, unbox, show you what's included, briefly talk about the specs, and of course compare the differences with this 12-volt DeWalt crossline laser with a close distance as well as a 40-foot long run. We will compare brightness and thickness of the green laser beam. Let's unbox. Instructions. Batteries. Now there are 3 ways to power this. I've already played with it just a little bit. It can be powered by batteries, a battery pack that charges up, as well as AC power. We will demonstrate and compare laser beam clearness, brightness with the rechargeable battery pack that's already installed and fully charged. Here is a magnetic base that mounts to the bottom of the laser. Here is your housing for your AA batteries. If you run out of juice with the rechargeable battery in this laser. And here is the laser. Small, it's compact. Now I'm not going to bury the lead here, I'm going to jump right to why I think this is a very good product. This laser runs only $200, which is, again, less than half of the price of your DeWalt 3x360 laser and your Bosch 3x360 laser. And I'm going to show you the laser lines and compare them, again, with this against the DeWalt. But for those out there who want a decent quality laser level 3x360, this is something that you may want to consider. So, it's very basic. You've got a nice case again, nice foam case to protect it. Off and on switch here. 2 buttons. One is for brightness, 2 levels. The second button is for your laser lines. You have 3 of them, all at 360 degrees. Again, 2 verticals, 1 horizontal. Now right off the bat, guys, very, very powerful and bright lasers. Now this laser has a range of up to 130 feet with an accuracy of plus or minus 1/9 of an inch. Let's quickly attach this to a tripod and show you how you can benefit when tiling a shower with 3 walls, a ceiling, as well as this laser showing up onto the floor. Line number 1, line 2, and line 3. I'll show you a quick close-up and then we'll get right to it and compare this to the DeWalt. There's your horizontal with the DeWalt and your vertical with the DeWalt. And again, as you can see, the lower line is the DeWalt. A bit brighter, a little thicker of a beam, a bit brighter on the horizontal line and a bit brighter on the ceiling as well. Alright, let's shoot these lasers 40 feet and compare the lines. Let's show you up close. Now the Huepar line is at the top and to the left. The DeWalt line is at the bottom and to the right. The DeWalt on the ceiling is a little brighter. It's on the left, Huepar's on the right. On this wall here, DeWalt's on the bottom, Huepar's on the top. Now these beams are shooting on the floor. DeWalt's to the right, Huepar's on the left. DeWalt's much brighter on the floor, but you can still clearly see the Huepar at 40 feet away. And here is our 40-foot mark. DeWalt on the bottom, Huepar on the top. DeWalt is just a little brighter than the Huepar on the horizontal, and they look just about the same on the verticals. Well, there it is, guys. A 3x360 degrees green beam laser, extremely affordable. Now just in comparison, your DeWalt's and Bosch's run anywhere from $450 to $600 for a laser like this. This runs $200. Of course, all specs and pricing will be in the link description below. Hit that thumbs up button, and of course, most importantly, share this video. If you know anybody out there who may be interested in an affordable 3x360 degree green beam crossline laser. Thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next one.